Assigning labels. If you come down here in the project browser, you'll see many things have different colors. For example, here I have a still image, and it's got this color right here of lavender. Then I got this mango color of the bins. And if I go to my clips, you can see they got this bluish color. So each thing's assigned a color. To take a look at that, let's go up to our edit, go to preferences, let's go to labels. These are labels, they're called. And you'll see that these first 7 colors are assigned automatically. So by default, when I have a still, it's assigned this lavender color. All right. So a video is assigned to this violet color. A movie is assigned to this iris color. A bin is mango. So these first 7 colors are assigned, but from below mango down, you can change the colors and you can change the name if you want. So you can customize this. Now, let's say you have a particular image down here. You can right click and you can go to label and you can assign it a label. Right now it's got a default label. But you could change these labels so that it's assigned to a character in the video. You can assign it to a different camera angle or a camera or a lighting. Whatever you want to organize these by, you definitely can. So you can change the color of these things. So I can come down here and say, oh, I want it to go to yellow or brown or tan or whatever, and I'll just say tan. You'll see that that color changed the tan. So I right click, I can say label, and I can say, oh, I want to go back to lavender. So you can assign a label. The labels are these color-coded items here, and they help you with your organization in your project browser.